Hi everyone, I've called you here today first to acknowledge the work you've done and how far we've come over the past 3 years due to your hard work and commitment to kids. Secondly, I want to highlight what we're going to be doing moving forward to continue to grow. To briefly rewind, our first year in 2015 began not with extra days to build a school and plan our year, but with having to sift through the remnants of your flooded and destroyed classrooms and unpack boxes and build empty rooms into inviting learning environments. And you all persevered. In 3 years, we've made tremendous gains and are heading in the right direction, but we still have more boxes to unpack. Fortunately, these are figurative ones. We've done a great job meeting the social and emotional needs of our students, and now we need to focus on their academic needs. I know we don't want to be the school who teaches to a test, but data should be driving our instruction. And in order to avoid being driven by only one measurement, the CASP test, we need to create our own measurements to better chart this path and document our growth. Moving forward, I'm going to ask you to do this by forming grade level PLCs or professional learning committees. Your PLCs will help us better ensure that our students will leave us with the skills needed to meet the demands of education and their careers beyond our walls. How can we better support our low-performing students, like Cisco and Haven, in their efforts to learn? What formative assessments can we include to help define a path of improvement for them? And what about our high performers, such as Jake and Addie? What techniques do our colleagues use to help drive them that others could also use? How can we better measure not only what, but how our students are learning via project-based learning? In short, what can we do to ensure that rather than simply a ticket out of high school, our diploma is a ticket through the doors of opportunity? In your PLCs, you will have ongoing dedicated time, and you'll measure these targets: what standards your students will be learning, how you'll know what your students are learning, and how to respond to, engage, and support students who aren't learning the skills, and how to do that for your students who are learning the skills. My role is to support you in this endeavor. To begin, I'll provide your teams with a calendar of dedicated PLC time, the 4 guiding principles I just mentioned, and guidance on how to set team collective commitments. Together, we'll address the 7 stages of teacher collaboration and the 3 characteristics of purposeful PLC work, as well as watch and analyze a video of a functioning PLC. Based on what you've done in 3 short years, I have total faith in your ability to continue to move us forward. I can't wait to celebrate our continued growth and dedication to making our students true mavericks who will proudly carry their diplomas through many doors of opportunity. Thank you.